Hey guys, Brandon Fix here. I'm gonna be doing my new build series. This is a wagon. I'm making a rat ride wagon go-kart. So what they really do is take a wagon, a motor, and build a frame with an axle, and you got a wagon go-kart. Here's a photo of it. Here's one photo of it. Here's another photo. Let me get the focus. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking this. I'm gonna use this steering. I'm gonna not use this steering system. I'm going to use this motor. This is another project I was going to build, but I lost interest in it. And it wasn't really working out too well. It was going to be out, well, I was going to call it a junk cart, but this is my motor. If you guys remember, it came off the blue goat cart that I had. If you guys haven't seen that video, you know what I'm talking about. I have a playlist about blue goat cart. But yeah, that's what that's off of. It wasn't running right. I cleaned the carb and I got it running. But yeah, so let's start taking this wagon apart. So the wheel things right here are stuck. So I'm just going to take a grinder and cut them off. Got one off, and now I just got to do the others. So what I did is cut those off. Now I just gotta work on getting this product off. Okay, so I got the other axle off. I didn't show you guys how I took the side off, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so I got those cut off. I gotta work on cutting this off some more, but all I have to really do is get the front axle off now. So the front part of the axle right here is actually, I ran out of grinding discs, so I'm gonna try to take my Dremel and go and try to cut the rest of it off. you guys are wondering what I'm trying to get out, I'm trying to get out the rest of that. But I guess the Dremel will have enough power. And I gotta get some granny discs. So when I was cutting, I cut a hole right there. So I'm gonna have to weld that up. Oh, I gotta work on it a little bit more. So I got that welded up. So yeah, I'm doing that. Gotta put that motor on there. I'm gonna try to use those wheels and stock wheels to the wagon. I don't know yet. But I guess that's it for part 1. So please subscribe and comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.